Ladies, if you're suffering from symptoms such as weight gain, fatigue, memory loss or brain fog, a low sex drive, or even more anxiety and depression, you could be suffering from a hormonal imbalance that can be very easily treated. I'm Dr. Jason Burchard with Inspire Medical, and over the last decade, we've had the pleasure of successfully treating thousands of women with hormonal imbalances. Ladies, we do this by doing the very necessary, comprehensive diagnostic testing of your hormones to determine the current range, and then compare that to what we know to be called the optimal range. If you're not in the optimal range, we address these hormones or deficiencies by only utilizing bioidentical or human identical hormone replacements. Ladies, if you'd like to learn more about these treatments, look us up at inspiremedicalwellness.com, or to book a complimentary consultation, you can call the number on your screen. We look forward to serving you soon.